Hello, Bachu. Let's read the question. The question says, select the correct statement is R. There are four statements. We have to find out the correct statement. So let's do the question and discuss the statement one by one. In the statement A, it is arsenic hydride molecule. Lone pair at central atom is present in almost pure s orbital. ठीक है बच्चों? So arsenic hydride, the structure is pyramidal and it has three bond pair and one lone pair of electron where it is sp3 hybridized. It is sp3 hybridized and the s orbital contains the lone pair of electron and the each p orbital is having one unpaired electron and the hybridization here it is sp3. So the lone pair of electron is present almost in the pure s orbital. Okay, so this is a correct statement. Okay, so in case of B, number of p pi d pi bond in SO3 and SO2. बच्चों the structure of SO3 is S double bond O, S double bond O and S double bond O. This is SO3 and SO2 is S double bond O, S double bond O and here it is a lone pair of electron. Here the pi bonds are, there are 1 pi bonds between the 2p pi orbital and 3p pi bonding. ठीक है, and there are टू p pi and 3d pi bonding. ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ पे two numbers of 2p pi and 3d pi bonding is there, but in case of SO2 there is 1 2p pi 3p pi bonding and 1 2p pi and 3d pi bonding. ठीक है, so the number of p pi d pi bond is not same in SO3 and SO2, so this is a incorrect statement. C is NF3 is better Lewis base than NCl3. बच्चों NF3 it is a pyramidal structure and the fluorine atoms are more electronegative. ठीक है, and these are bases because the availability of the lone pair of electrons. But in case of NCl3, chlorine is less electronegative than fluorine. If you see the compare the electronegativity of chlorine and fluorine, fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine. Therefore, if you say the property of Lewis basicity, then NCl3 will have higher Lewis basicity than NF3 due to the less electronegativity of the chlorine and the electron pair will be more available. ठीक है, so this is also a incorrect statement. Okay, now this D statement is stable oxidation state of lead is +2. So if you see in the carbon family, it is carbon, silicon, germanium, ठीक है, tin and lead. So down the group क्या होता है बच्चों, due to inert pair effect. ठीक है, due to inert pair effect. What is inert pair effect बच्चों? In inert pair effect क्या होता है, down the group as the ns2 electrons are more reluctant towards the bond formation due to the poor shielding of d and f electrons. So down the group the oxidation state of lead will be +2 will be more stable than the group oxidation state, that is +4, due to inert pair effect. So this is also a correct statement. So here the correct statement are A and D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.